Let's talk about Bnkr. In the last price prediction, I gave you a short right here and also a long, which was pretty beautiful, around 80% combined. And right now we're looking at new trades. We broke out of this trend line with a retest to the T. Look at exactly how price was reacting to the trend line here, touch it here, and almost here. So now we're in a confirmed uptrend. Volume is okay, it's not something special, but definitely can be bullish. So we'll go ahead and check out the 6 hour or the 12 hour. I just renewed the subscription on another account and now I have an issue here. Let's go to the 3 hour then. So the 3 hour is curving upwards right now, and but to have the right kind of move, we need upwards momentum plus the view of going down. So an ideal scenario would be price right now going down a little bit to an accumulation area, maybe 5% from now or something, and then we buy for a potential pump. So this is basically how I'll be looking to trade Bnkr. In the next few days, I'm waiting to buy dips and I'm waiting for a pump. If you're wondering how I'm up to 274 grand, I have my course in the description below. It's pretty cheap, and also I have links to my Signal chat and BingX, which are now giving away around over 8 grand basically in exclusive bonuses for referees using my link for Dr. Niki in the link in the description down below. Love you with all my heart. This video is no financial advice. See you next one. Bye.